It's your boy Kirk A. Rollin. I'm out here today. It's beautiful out here today. It's freaking crazy. It was like just a week ago. It was like freezing. But today it's beautiful, and we out here with the 2018 AMG C63. And today we are talking about, you know what it is, dusty ass brakes. Look at them brakes. Oh my God, them things are beautiful, but they are so goddamn dirty. Look at that. It's like impossible to keep these goddamn on things clean. So what we're looking at today is how to knock this stuff right on off. And I'm gonna show you my method of doing so. All right. So this is what we got here. All right. Let's get this soap in here. Soap, McGuire's Ultimate Wash and Wax is my preferred soap. And a lot of you guys think this stuff too expensive, but hey, how often you wash your car? Not every day. How important is your ride's beauty? Alright, first thing we're going to do is we're going to spray these rims down as best as possible before applying any of our soaps, chemicals, or anything like that. So let's go ahead and put the water to this and let's knock this brake dust off of here, and then we're going to dive right into it. Okay? Crazy. Let's hit the rear brakes real quick, and we're gonna see how this brake dust comes off, because they look sickly, very dirty. Oh my God, look at that! It's like the Black Sea. You see a darkened driveway, so try to rinse that water on out of there. You want to see what I'm talking about? Alright, so as you can see, I got my purple power. Got my bucket of water and soap. First thing you want to do is you want to spray your rims down. Alright. It's good to have a pump bottle like this, because you don't have to worry about keep spraying. You just unlock the handle if you had it stored correctly and locked. Spray it. Spray them tires too. Get up in there. This is what's going to help get all that brake dust out of there. With very little effort. Make sure you get that backing plate. Remember, you want this doing as much work as possible. Alright, so I got what I'm going to be using to clean my rims with. Just wipe over it. It shouldn't take much effort at all, guys. Just go over your rims, get in every little crack and crevice. This brake dust should just melt away. Pretty much all you're doing is just rubbing it gently. Just a little lug. Get it, put in the wheel lug nut holes. Just the openings for the lugs. Go around, get every single one of these, like so. Get in the hole, like that. Oh my gosh, guys, freaking knees are like crazy. Can't stand it. That's why I can't really work out like I want to, but it's all good. I just do what I can. Make do with what I can. But anyway, next thing, which is the harder part, is getting back here. It's not really hard, but it's the more difficult, more challenging part of the task. And what you do is you push as much as your hand mitten in there as possible without your hand being inside of it, of course. And then you're gonna work it around slowly. So we're gonna work it around. We're gonna walk our fingers in between the spokes as we go around. Get all that brake dust out of there. And while you're doing this, is pushed up in there, so it's cleaning the backing plate also. I'm just pulling it on around like this. Just walking it around. These big old rotors, it's gonna hold it up, so you don't have to worry about it dropping out. You just move your finger in between the spokes and bring it on around. Alright, over here where the rotor is located, the caliper is located, it's going to be hard because it's so tight. But just get what you can. What we're going to do is we're going to move the car forward a tiny bit, and we're going to get the rest of it also. Because you don't want a caliper that's clean and then it has a dirty spot right there when you move your rim. That's the worst thing. God, these calipers are so massive, it's ridiculous. I can't believe I got such awesome brakes. Such an awesome car. This car is freaking awesome, guys. Let me be the one to tell you. Alright, so I'm just trying to squeeze this in here, because the more I can do without moving the vehicle, the better. So as you can see, you can get behind it. Start over here in the bigger part, pull it up, and just slide it on through there. Alright, so let's rinse this baby off before this starts drying up on us. Wow, do you see the difference? The difference is crazy. Look at that. That's freaking phenomenal, guys. Spray it down. How many times I gotta tell you, spray it down? Like I'm getting old. Alright, it's time to wash it. Come here, come here. Alright. Get your soap. Same process. Go to work. Go to work on it. Go to work. Get it done. All over the face. Spread this thing all over the face. Getting each individual fork. Wash your air inlet. Just wipe it off. You know, gentle stroke it. You know, clean it off a little bit. No homo. No. You know what we know what to do. So as you can see, that was easy breezy. It's a lot easier to get the caliper on the rear. There's a lot more room in between the rim and the caliper. So next thing you want to do is go ahead and wet this and get some of this old brake dust off of it. Let's get ready to stick it inside the rim. Alright, so you stick it in there like so. Remember, we're going to walk it around. So be careful when you're switching your hands, you're placing one on the ground. Remember, you're going to be picking up dirt, things like that. So as you can see, we're walking it around. Don't take the wheel weights off. Hopefully they're attached well enough you won't have to worry about that, but you never know. Who did your work? Depends on the quality. Just continue to walk it on around, guys. Then you take this side, you stick it in there, and you get right here in front of the caliper. So you ain't gotta really worry about moving the vehicle. You ain't gotta be doing too much. So you're gonna have to look. It's gonna be dirty back there, right above the where the caliper is at, because you're not able to get the interface of the rim due to the caliper being in the way, unless you, of course, move the vehicle. All right. So what I'm doing now is I'm just trying to get a little bit more depth. I'm pushing this back further, seeing if I can get my fingers in there a little better to get back here further. Okay, next step you can do is, if you want to get the back of your rim real good, is to lay on the ground, reach back there, and to get it that way. But it's really not that serious, I'd say, but it depends on how clean you want it. On the back. Yo, what up, YouTube? It's your boy Kurt, and hey, we pretty much done. As you can see, what we did is we took the Purple Power, sprayed the rims down after rinsing them off first, of course, knocking off all that brake dust, and then after that, we just made it our business to get up in there and just wash everything down, and you know, it turned out beautiful. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and wash the other two rims, and then I'm gonna pull the car forward slightly. And then at that point, I'm going to clean little spots that I wasn't able to get due to the position of the rims. And after that, you know, it's going to be a wrap. So, yo, that's it. Let's go ahead and get a cold start in on this baby, though. Y'all guys want to hear this thing crank? Yeah, let's do it. Much of a cold start. It's like hot out here today. Crazy, right? But hey, boy, doesn't she sound good. So hey, YouTube, we're gonna end it right there. This is your boy Kurt A. Roll, and I'm out. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel.